Great day mga kabosses! This is yours truly, the Moxie Voce from CVAP Batch 31, a certified voice artist in the making. So we are now down to our week 4, the last week. So it started in the morning with our trainer, Miss Lynn Gonzalez, the queen of the voice. So the talk was all about how to create voice demo reels. Ito kasi yung gagamitin mo to present to your clients. What voices you are capable of. And yung pinaka-importante na talagang tumatak sa akin na sinabi ni Miss Lynn ay, market yourself as a voice artist, not an impressionist. So you have to create a mark for yourself, your authenticity, your unique voice. And then for voice-over demo reel, pwede ka gumamit ng AVP, explainer voice-over, radio ad, IVR. So, tinuruan niya rin kami gumawa ng mga voice artist resume. So, ibang-iba pala ito dun sa ginagamit natin for job interview. So, iba siya. So, according to her, merong mga clients na nag-request talaga ng mga voice over resume. Because it does not only add to your credibility, but it shows also how experienced you are and what other skills you can do with your voice. And one of the important topics also na na-discuss is yung service agreement when you have a gig or a voice project. So, service agreements as defined is a legal contract between a client and a service provider. So, kailangan natin yon to protect ourselves and also the client. So, both parties, diba? Then, diniscuss din namin yung standard rates sa pag-voice over. Depende if it's a commercial, an AVP, or TV ads. Tapos, depende pa kung ilang seconds mo ginawa yun. So, ganun siya. Then, she also discussed about the contracts like may mga clients na nagdi-demand ng NDA, the non-disclosure agreement. So, discuss about the warnings we should take note and our rights as voice artists. So, once sumaba ka na kasi talaga, kung alam mo yung mga nakalagay sa contracts, alam mong basahin siya, so hindi ka maloloko ng mga clients mo. So, she also shared some experiences about that. So, yun. Then, she also shared where to find the VO opportunities. Alam mo yung minamarket mo yung sarili mo. So, kailangan mo syempre hanapin kung saan ka magsasubmit. Like yung mga website or in Facebook. Yun, meron din. She was also generous to share best voice-over training classes online. So, yun, merong mga classes online, merong for free, meron din may mga charges, ganon. And she ended the training with this saying na, talent will get you in the door, but character will keep you in the room. Diba? Ang ganda. And then in the afternoon, it was one of the highlights for this week 4, as we got the opportunity to receive a live feedback from our trainers. Ito yung namili dun sa lahat ng mga sinabit namin ng mga skill builder exercises, yung mga homeworks namin, mga assignments. So, namili kami ng pwede namin isubmit. So, as for me, I decided to submit yung aking monologue. Actually, my monologue is the narration of Galadriel from the Lord of the Rings. So, yun yung pinili kong isubmit. And then, I am happy na nagustuhan nila ng mga trainers. So, yung pinakang tumatak sa akin na sinabi ni Sir Navi Garcia as one of the trainers, his feedback was, my monologue is like a breath of fresh air. Yun, and how anxious I am to really do this, which is totoo naman talaga. Gustong-gusto ko talagang gawin at pagsumikapan talaga yun. And then, I am glad that I had the courage to share my work with them, to receive a live feedback from the trainers, kasi dapat hindi ko na siya isasubmit. Pero, thank you to Sir JM, R. Marshall, na talagang pinush ako na isubmit ko yung, yung gawa ko. And yun, thank you to you, Sir JM. And follow my FB page, the Moxie Voce, and my blog, wordpress.com. Bye!